do the ending.
Should I?
Yeah. Eat each other's food.
Jesus loves you.
How long is this? I hear church bells.
Church bells, ringy dingy, ringy dingy.
Hi.
Hi. Oh no, it's the candle of death. Hey, look, it's my Spanish book. How awesomely awesome is that? I didn't forget either. It's the money you could be saving with Gecko. Okay, now enough of that. Da-na-na. You can't tell, but my kitty is right in front of me. It's dark in my room. Hello, feet. Oh my god, people are gonna think we're on crack.
I hope not.
I hope not also. It's still raining because this video is weird.
This video is the other half of that long video that we just did.
Ugh. Oh, I just got pelted in the face with a raindrop. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't think he was gonna notice. Belch. Do a belch for us. A big one. A big belch. Do belch. Big. Big.
Come back to me later. It'll take a while to settle in.
Do a big belch. Big belch. Big belch.
Oh, listen, look. I'm getting belted. Can I look at my stomach. Can I shut the window? I'm
No.
getting belted.
Leave it open.
Ah, come on, man. Oh, I'm getting wet. It's
Belch.
almost there. It's almost
Belch.
there.
Belch. Very loud. Very loud.
It's not ready.
Very loud. Very, very loud. Wait for it.
Have to wait. I know you're thinking my friends are on crack, but they probably are. So I'm clean.
Yeah, she's a drug dealer.
Oh, here it comes.
Come on, do a big belch. Everybody on YouTube is gonna see this.
Oh, I better pause that.
Come on. Waiting for it.
Get out! Oh.
Force it out. It's bigger that way.
I might throw up. Come back to me later.
I don't want to.
It's not coming in time soon. Ow.
You need belch. Jeez.
Ah. Okay, here it comes. No, wait, yeah.
Waiting for it.
Here it comes. That's not even part of it. It's still in there.
Silence and crickets.
Let me swallow more. Watch my stomach.
Yep, it's a stomach.
It gets bigger.
She's pregnant.
And I wonder how.
Ooh, it's a kitty cat in the window. Da, da, oh crap. Da, 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 da. Hi, Brutus. Oh, he bitted me.
Now he's on drugs. Catnip.
Hello. 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 We're still waiting for you to burp.
Oh, may I exit this?
No. I need that real quick.
Yep. She's going to upload a very long video.
Wow, there's a true belcher right there. What you great kitty?
People around the world, she's the Belch master.
I am a belch master. That's right. Yeah. There's the candle. I'm going to make this have another earthquake again. Ready? 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 Earthquake. Okay, this is not that. Hi. Say hello to my little friend. Drink that, I dare you. That's 2 days old.
What is it?
Coca-Cola. Is it warm?
Yeah.
Is it? How nasty is it?
I need a pee.
That is one big 10-gallon thingamajig.
10 gallons, what do you exaggerate?
What are you doing?
Wait, do the videos.
What is with you on my YouTube channel?
Wait. Only public.
I will never let him on my YouTube channel ever again.
Look at it.
No. I already uploaded that video. Going back out to the outside. Do you want some screen time, Kim? Poof!
Hi.
You have been healed.
Hi.
You make the rules.
Yeah,
Since when did that happen?
Since I was born.
Oh, touche. Did you drop the chair again?
No. He loves dropping the chair.
Oh, look at what a beautiful day in Pennsylvania. It's raining. Very, very rain. Ooh, screeching tires.
I'm gonna fart and that'll go. Wanna see? No, John, Edward is right there.
Don't fart on Edward.
No. If I farted, that thing would burn.
Move. Ooh.
Edward is gorgeous, but too bad you can't see his gorgeousness.
Yes. We cannot see. We cannot see Edward Cullen's gorgeousness.
Film this.
What?
Ashley, film this.
What am I filming? I can't even see you guys. It's too dark.
Brutus.
John, stop it.
Brutus is so getting annoyed by you guys.
Oh my God! It's Pikachu.
He's retarded now.
Pikachu attacks.
Look at that toilet paper.
Ugh.
Very weird. Sorry, I don't wipe when I use the bathroom.
John.
Ew.
That is so nasty.
That is gross, John. Tell me you don't. Tell me you do. Tell me you do. Tell me you do.
I'll hurt YouTube.
I don't.
Stop yelling. Don't yell. Earthquake.
Hey, wait. Ah! Pikachu fight. Hurry, Pikachu versus Kitty.
Why are we having Pikachu versus Kitty first of all?
Poor Kitty. Oh, the kitty died.
I'm gonna kill it.
Ba-ba-ba. Winner.
Pikachu dominates. Get over yourself.
Pikachu's Godzilla.
Oh, you killed him.
That's not the first thing he's killed.
Don't be pounding. Yep, he attacked. He killed you. You died. He eated you.
Godzilla!
He eated your hand. Oh well.